everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is for Danielle. Danielle, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a pink Christmas themed spread on a big monthly, and I'm going to use Chic Christmas, which is new from Live Love Posh. It's still available if you're interested. It'll be linked down in the description. I also have a discount code if you would like to purchase. And I think I want to use, this is like a pretty pink theme right here. So there's some like pink florals and little trees. I love the little car. So this is the theme I'm going with in this book. And then I also have big pastel boxes from Jojo because she's got pink boxes in here that I can use on the monthly because Danielle does need some boxes. Of course you need stickers. Boxes on this spread. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover up these like things that they write on here, all the holidays they already pre-write on the monthly. So it's just a clean slate. All right, now boxes. I think I'm just gonna do pink. Hopefully I have enough pink boxes from here. All right, so she needs a box. I'm gonna just put the boxes down first and then I will put everything else down later. Oh, you know what? These don't fit in the monthly. Okay, I wonder if I have a monthly one. Hold on, let me check. Okay, since those don't fit, I'm just gonna use regular pink boxes from Jojo in this spread. Oh, actually, let me figure out which pink. Let's see which one will go well. Definitely not that bright one. I feel like this one's good. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. I might use up all these actually. All right, so the 25th needs a box. Oops. And I'm just checking off all the days that she needs boxes. 31st, 27th, I'll put one of these. Okay, 22nd, 21st, 20th, 13. I like to scatter them, so I'm just seeing where I'm gonna put them. Okay, I'm gonna do one on the 5th. And 21st. And the 6th. I only have one left. Going to use up this one. And the do the 13th. Okay, so I'm actually just going to take this page out since I'm all done with that one. And then go to a different size box. Actually, I need some that are smaller. This is a good size. Because there's some days she needs 2 boxes. So let's see, the 4th. th 22nd, 26th, 31st. Go here. Okay, and then the other ones that I have to do are 2, which I need the 12th, the 14th, and the 28th. So I'm just going to use a smaller box, this size right here, just to stack them. So on the 12th, and the 28th. Perfect. Those are all the boxes. Now I get to do the fun part, which is the decorating part of the spread. Okay, so let me put this away. So I just dropped my book. I don't need this one anymore. All right, so in here, I'm gonna start with this like really pretty floral one. And so I could stick it here now because it's gonna cover up that. So I'm thinking of sticking it in this corner. It's kind of empty. Cool. I have these cute little houses, so I want to stick those down. I'm gonna stick these down too. Because I really like the like ornament hanging. Oh, look how cute this is. It looks like a stamp, which I think is super adorable. So maybe I can stick this. I don't know yet where I want to stick this. Okay. I have another house right here. Oh, I need to grab one more box actually, because I need a long sticker for here. There's a cute little snow globe. Maybe I'll stick, oh no, the house is here. Maybe I'll stick it, I'm not sure yet. Okay, let me put this one back because I'm not sure. I do have this leaf, or sorry, this leaf, poinsettia. I think I want to stick this here. The car is super cute too. I mean, I could stick it on top of a box. Okay, let me grab the box because I forgot. Actually, is there a box in here? It is. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. It's a similar pink for the sidebar. Do I want to put it there? It's kind of low. I'll put a quote here. Yeah. Let's look at the quotes. This one's cute. It says Merry Christmas. You know what? Let me put it somewhere else. I need to find a quote here. I think I like this Merry and Bright because this looks like it'll fit nicely up here. And it's paper, which is even better because I don't have to cover things up. Okay, so it's merry and bright, and I want to quote like down here. So there's like some funny quotes in here. This year I'm giving my opinion instead of presents. It's funny. I mean, I like this 'tis the season to be jolly. Okay. All right, so let me go to those ornaments because I want to get that down on the spread. That'll be a cute addition. Now this is a whole piece. I don't know if I want to add this. I mean, I guess I could because this whole space is empty, so actually this would look nice here. So I'm just gonna cover this area with the ornaments. Now it doesn't go all the way across. I want to cut it off. Actually, no, I think that's fine. Kind of fits nicely there. And I can do another strand or another row because I have one more. So let me grab that. Let's do, kind of want to break it up a little bit. So just so it's not exactly like this, I'm going to cut off this part. I have little pieces I could maybe add. I might be able to add these. And then let's see how much I need to cut off. So I only really need it to go up to the star. So let me cut around this. Cool. And then I have this piece. Let me cut this a little bit too. Just dangle a couple of these. Need one more spot. I don't really have another spot. Okay, I think I'm gonna just put this back. All right, so let's add some more things. Oops. These little trees are cute. Okay, I want to add this stamp. It's cute. Oops. It's kind of crooked. Do I like it there though? I don't know if I like it there. Like I really want to add it, but then I can't find a space for it. I mean, I do. I don't know. There's a lot of things I want to add. Okay, I have this cute snowman. So I could put the snowman there. This cute little tree. Just stick that over here. And then I got these little trees. Let's see. Stick a couple on here. All right, oh, I already got the car. I forgot I already did the car. I thought I hadn't done the car yet. Okay, so yeah, I guess I'm going back with my original idea to put it here because it's kind of really empty right here and I feel like it needs something. So that kind of helps to fill in that space. I think I might be able to do another quote like over here because again, it feels empty on this side. So let's go back to the quotes. Oh, I really like this one. This year I'm giving my opinion instead of presents. I don't know, I think that's funny. And oh, I could put presents with it too. Let's just stick the presents next to it. Let me cut this. Actually, I don't. Oh, here they are. So I couldn't find my scissors. Cool. I think that looks super cute. All right, I do have these candles. Come on. I'm just gonna stick down here. All right, I feel like just a couple more finishing touches. So I need a book that has like more pink stuff in it. So I'm gonna look for that. Okay, I found a couple of pink stuff. And essential quotes, I have these like long strips. So I'm just gonna stick these in a couple of places. Okay, so yeah, just on a couple of these boxes. Okay, and then I have a washi I was thinking of adding because it's pink-ish. Pinkish. It's not the same kind of pink, but I think it'll work. And if it doesn't, I can always take it off, so no biggie. I actually have 2 Christmas trees, and my Christmas tree and my living area is more of like a neutral vibe, and I have a tree in my room, which I haven't put that up yet, but I have a Christmas tree that I put in my room. It's like a skinny, like flocked tree. And that one I do like pink, red, and like a blue, more like a Tiffany blue. And I absolutely love that color combo. I love having pink, like, decor for Christmas. It's so pretty. Yeah, I think this looks really nice. Okay, I actually do like the washi now that it's on the page. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be the last finishing touch for this spread. And this washi is from Simply Gilded. Got it a long time ago. Okay. So that is going to be this spread for Danielle. Danielle, I hope you like your spread, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already to see more videos like this on my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.